In this video, I will discuss about number of periods. What's number of periods? The number of periods corresponds to the number of times the interest is accrued. For both simple and compound interest, the number of periods varies jointly with FB and inversely with PV. The number of periods is also part of the units of the discount rate. If one period is 1 year, the discount rate must be defined as X% per year. If one period is 1 month, the discount rate must be X% per month. If present value, future value, and annual interest rate are given, then number of years can be computed using the present value or future value formula. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see a live demo. As you can see on the screen, present value, future value, and interest rate were provided. For calculating number of periods with the given data, we need to put at first equal, then type NPER. Double tap on it to see the formula. Then click on C5 cell for interest rate, put comma, as there is no payment, so type 0, put comma, then click on C3 cell for present value, put comma, type minus, and click on C4 cell for future value, put comma, type 0 to show end of the period, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, the number of periods is shown 3.01838, approximately 3 years. Thanks for watching.